Hello, today I'm going to show you how to forge a heart. I use 3/8 square stock, 6 inches or 4 inches long depending on what size heart I want to build. You can also use 3/8 round. 1/4 inch square makes nice small hearts if you want to put it on a keychain. Going to start with making a one-sided taper on about 2 inches of one end of the square stock. I want to make sure and hit all 4 sides of the stock to remove any hammer blows and make everything work evenly. Go ahead and heat up the other end of this material and repeat the one-sided taper on the opposite end of your square stock. Spending the time to make sure that both tapers match as closely as possible will guarantee that your heart is as even as you can get it. Once you have both tapers completed, go ahead and mark a center line on your square stock. You'll notice I'm using a metal ruler on the face of my anvil to get the center point correct. Once I'm done with the tapers, it should be about 7.5 inches long overall. Using the center line you just made in the heel of your anvil, start to bend your heart into shape. The next step is to bend the top of the heart around to meet in the middle. I use a turning fork and hardy hole on my anvil. If you don't have a turning fork, you can use the bick of your anvil. Go ahead and dress the heart however you would like it. If you need to spread it out a little bit, you can use the bick of your anvil. Should take about 3, maybe 4 heats to complete your heart. Should be a nice simple little project. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check us out at Pacific Saw and Anvil on Facebook and Instagram.